Hi, friends, welcome back, and hope you're having a very great day today. We had started work life balance journey, and then we are almost close to it. So, today and tomorrow we would be finishing it. And the last topic under this is communication. Communication is very, very, very important, and everybody knows that. If the communication is clear and short, simple, then things will be much, much easier. So, under communication, today we are going to talk about boundaries, setting boundaries in the work life balance. Work life balance for entrepreneurs is slightly, majorly different, I should say, not slightly. Let's talk about first employees. It is very much essential for the employees to keep the work at a workplace over there only, and the do not carry the homework to home. What you are doing at home, keep it at home only and do not carry to the office. It's very difficult to segregate because 27 years as an employee, I have experienced many situations. But over the years, I have learned that keeping two of them separate, at least during the working hours, is very much essential. It keeps you emotionally healthy if you set boundaries between the work that you do. And communicating the timings, your relaxed timings or your personal timings to your friends, colleagues, etc., family members is very important. During my work in Maldives, I used to see one English HOD hanging one board of do not disturb on his door between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. After that, the board would not be there. And we used to find it difficult, like, why is he keeping this board of do not disturb? And a little bit thinking helped me to understand that that relaxation time is very much essential for him to get back to his complete energy levels and increase the productivity in work. So very essentially, that peace of mind, that relaxation time was essential. So he very much beautifully conveyed that do not disturb me during these hours. Similarly, we have to tell our family members or anybody how much time you require. Don't keep it too long or too short. It should be enough, like 40 minutes to 1 hour should be essential minimum for doing that. And maximum 1 hour should be enough for us. Once you take that time for yourself and apply the relaxation techniques that we have spoken in so many videos about deep breathing, box breathing, and fast breathing. They will help you to relax and rejuvenate very fast. So, my dear friends, please set boundaries properly and differentiate between which is energy taking work and which is not. Communicate and then find yourself like a bird in the sky. Enjoy and have a good day. Thank you so much.